In this video, we are going to see what is a body in motion, what are stationary objects, and what are moving objects. So let's first see what exactly is the objective of this presentation. We want to understand about three things in this presentation, and basically those three things are: first is what exactly is a stationary object. Stationary object क्या होते हैं? Once you know what is a stationary object, the next question is what are moving objects. Of course, ये दोनों एक दूसरे के opposite हैं, they are opposite to each other. And then the next one is when is a body said to be in motion. So there are two types of objects which are there basically: stationary object and moving objects. So when we talk about stationary object, what exactly is a stationary object? A stationary object is basically an object which remains fixed at a particular place. So let's say, for example, when you talk about a building, so you must be studying in a school and the building that is there is fixed at that particular place. It doesn't happen that one morning you go to the school and suddenly you find that the building is no longer there. It has actually moved to the next block. It's a fixed. So a building is a stationary object, right? Again, the building of the school I took as an example. It can be any other building, an office building where your parents might be working, a tree. Now, if you look at a tree, it's a stationary object. It does not move its place from one place to the other. Of course, there are possibilities where a tree can be excavated as it is and it can be moved to a different location, but otherwise a tree is generally a stationary object. Now, what are moving objects? A moving object is an object which moves from one place to another. So if you talk about your father, he's there at the house in the morning, but he might be at the office, which might be located at a different place. And then in the evening, he's back again to the house. So your father is actually moving from one place to other. So he is a moving object. Animals again move from one place to other. Birds fly from one place to other. Cars, although when at rest they are in a stationary position, but they are capable of moving from one place to the other. So when your father leaves from the house, he may take your car along. The car moves and then it reaches the office. Similar is the case with buses. So to summarize, a stationary object is an object which remains fixed at a particular place. A moving object, on the other hand, is an object which moves from one place to another. A body is set. So let us see when a body is said to be in motion. A body is said to be in motion or moving when its position changes continuously with respect to a stationary object taken as a reference point. So the movement of a body can be traced with reference to a particular point, a point which is stationary. Yeah. So when you talk about, let's say there is a point A and there is a body which is moving in a circular direction like this. So when we say the body is moving, it is always with respect to a particular position or a particular object. And this object, object A, as we said, is basically a stationary object, right? So you say that a body is in motion when its position, so position might be earlier here, then it was probably here, and otherwise it was changing with respect to this particular stationary object. We've just defined a small colorful thing here. So let's say this is your stationary object. This cylindrical shape is a stationary object. There is a person A who is at a particular location. Let's call this as small a. Then A moved to his right and he reached a different location, let's say B. He again moved to his right and reached a location C. So when we say that a body is in motion, here body is what? The person A. We say that he is in motion, he is continuously moving from one point to the other when actually done in reference to a stationary object. A stationary object is cylinder. I hope you would have had a good time understanding this particular concept. In case you want to access the NCERT solutions, notes, etc. for science, you can actually go to our website www.arinjaacademy.com, and there are a lot of resources, a lot of practice questions, a lot of notes which you will find for different subjects that can help you in your study.